Guess what? Good news. I have a microphone again. There's no wind and there's very little background noise. Well, kinda. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle, and today I'm doing a quick walkthrough on the 2025 StarCraft Autumn Ridge 188 BHS. Now, if this is the first time you've seen one of my videos, I do about a 5-minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer and talk about it without any sound effects, special effects, weird editing, or the words, oh my God, it's so innovative. Oh my God, let's get started. Okay, coming over here, you got the bigger propane tank, an area for 2 group of 24 12-volt batteries, or any batteries that will fit. Coming over here, you got your weight sticker. The GVWR is 5,145 pounds. The dry weight is 4,458 pounds. And the total length, meaning if you took a tape measure to it, is 23 feet 10 inches. Now, this is considered the Moab edition. So the Moab edition obviously gives you a bigger axle, bigger tires, bigger ground clearance than your regular StarCraft Autumn Ridge. So it's gonna be more money. You might see this for cheaper, but it's not gonna have the Moab package to it. So just keep that in mind as your shopping price. You got hot water heater, little hitch to carry a bike rack, big power awning, outside kitchen. Do remember this though, this refrigerator does not run on propane or the battery. It runs when you're plugged into shore power or a generator. Got a nice deep drawer here, that's pretty cool. All right, going inside, you do have a Murphy bed. It is a couch Murphy bed with a queen size bed. This is your clothing storage, shelves. Up top, shelves. There's no closet in this space, but you do get some drawers, or I should say access cabinets underneath the bed to give you some extra storage. There's also storage under the dinette. The U-shaped dinette turns into a bed. Coming around, you got your air conditioner, small little kitchen with a big one-piece sink that's dirty because it just came in. I haven't washed it. You can kill me in the comments section, but do remember that if you enjoy this video, please hit the like button because it does help my channel grow. And let's become a big RV YouTube channel. That's what I want to be. I want to be bigger than anybody. And the only way I get there is by you liking the videos and subscribing to the channel. 2-burner stove. You got your 12-volt electric refrigerator and freezer. Nice, deep. It's actually really good size. You got your full-size bunk beds with storage underneath. Coming over here, you got your bathroom. Good chicken wing space around the toilet. Nice shower pan, good size. Decent little counter space around the sink. It's not great, and it's not perfect, but it's good. Now, if you want pricing on this trailer, first of all, this is the MSRP right here, $32,687. But if you would like actual real pricing on this unit, visit the website that's in the description box below. And in the top right-hand corner is another cool video. It's an older trailer, and the video sucks, but I think you'll enjoy the fact that it's something a little bit different. Same look, little different. Until next time, remember that RV always will stand for toolkit and sense of humor, folks.